Hi, I'm Matthew with Garmin Product Support, and today I'm going to show you how to use OK Garmin voice commands on your automotive device. Garmin automotive devices with the OK Garmin voice command feature use natural language processing to understand your spoken requests. You can ask questions or speak commands in plain language. Garmin Voice Activated Navigation allows you to search for locations and addresses, start routes with turn-by-turn directions, change your route, and more. For the best performance, keep your device software and maps up to date. You can update your device using a home high-speed Wi-Fi connection. Avoid placing the device near a speaker or air vent to prevent interference with the microphone. Background noise, like a car stereo, cell phone, passenger speaking, and rolled down windows, can make it difficult for the device to understand your voice commands. The voice command feature is always available and is activated by saying, OK Garmin. Feel free to speak in a normal tone of voice directed at the device. Let's go through some phrases you can use to find a location. OK Garmin, find 1200 East 151st Street, Olathe, Kansas.
Which result would you like?
1.
Going to 1200 East 151st Street, Olathe, Kansas.
OK Garmin, find gas stations along my route. You can also get information about an active route. OK Garmin, when will we get there?
You should arrive at 3:27 p.m.
Voice command can even be used to adjust settings, like volume. OK Garmin, raise the volume. Additional commands, like category searches, are available too. OK Garmin, find museums near me. These are just some examples, but you can experiment with speaking to the device using the language most comfortable to you. And that's it. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.